Zotero is free open source citation management software that you can use to organize your research and format your citations. In this tutorial, we'll be looking at how to cite references with Zotero. Zotero supports Microsoft Word for Windows and Mac, and LibreOffice for Windows and Mac. It also supports Google Docs if you have the Zotero Connector browser extension installed. In this tutorial, we'll be looking at citing in Microsoft Word. In Word, click the Zotero tab, then click Add Edit Citation. Choose the citation style you need, then click OK. Now you'll need to search for the reference you want to cite. You can search by the author's last name or a few words from the title. By default, Zotero will only add the parenthetical citation. Click Add Edit Bibliography to get the full citation at the end of the document. Let's add another citation. If your citation style requires references to be listed in alphabetical order, your citations will automatically be alphabetized. If your citation style requires references to be listed in order of appearance, your citations will automatically be sorted in the correct order. If you need to change your citation style, you can just click Document Preferences and change to a different style. All your references will update automatically. Zotero automatically includes a few of the most common citation styles, like APA, Chicago, and MLA. If you need more, it's easy to download new ones. Click Document Preferences, then click Manage Styles. Now click on the Get Additional Styles link. Over 10,000 citation styles are currently available, and you can search by the title. Just click the style you want to install it in Zotero. Please keep in mind that all of this style information is added by volunteers, and some may be incorrect or out of date. If you see something that's incorrect, please submit a fix. Zotero is an open source project, and it depends on its users to stay up to date. Even when you're using a citation manager, it's important to double-check your citations for mistakes. Even good databases have mistakes, so the information that Zotero gets from the database isn't always enough information to create a correct citation. For example, let's say I decide to cite circulating extracellular vesicles as non-invasive biomarker of rejection in heart transplant by C. Castellani et al. You'll notice that the journal title is completely capitalized. Now, I can try to fix this in Word, but the next time I try to add a citation, Zotero is going to realize that I messed with their nice citations, and it's going to try to put them back how they're supposed to be. So if you see any mistakes with the citations, you have to go back to the original record in Zotero to fix them. Now we can pull up the original article, right-click on the journal title, and click Title Case or Sentence Case. Title case means that all the words in the title will be capitalized, except for minor words. Sentence case means that only the first word in the title and proper nouns will be capitalized. You can also click Unlink Citations to disconnect your citations from their records in Zotero. This is the other way to do some corrections or tweak the formatting if you need to, but once you do this, you lose all the advantages of letting Zotero automatically reorder and reformat your citations. By the way, citing in Google Docs is almost exactly the same, but you'll need to make sure you have the Zotero Connection extension installed in your browser. If you need extra help with Zotero, you can chat with a librarian, email us, or schedule an appointment to meet with a librarian in person or virtually to help with your research needs. Until next time, happy searching!